For many seniors, maintaining a clean and tidy home can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you that with just a few simple strategies, you could transform your daily routine and reclaim control over your living space? Today, I'm going to share 10 proven techniques that will help you maintain your independence while keeping your home spotless without exhausting yourself in the process. These aren't complicated systems that require expensive equipment or hours of work. Instead, these are practical, senior-friendly solutions that work with your energy levels, not against them. Let's start with the game-changing concept of zone cleaning. Instead of trying to tackle your entire house in one exhausting session, we're going to break everything down into manageable zones. Think of your home as having 4 main areas: the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and living spaces. Each day, you'll focus on just one zone for 15 to 20 minutes. Monday might be kitchen day, Tuesday could be bathroom day, and so on. This approach prevents that overwhelming feeling that comes from looking at an entire house that needs attention. The beauty of zone cleaning is that it works with your natural energy patterns. Most seniors find they have more energy in the morning, so tackling one small area when you're feeling fresh makes perfect sense. By the end of the week, your entire home has received attention, but you never had to exhaust yourself doing it. Now, let's talk about the power of the one-touch rule. This simple principle will revolutionize how you handle everyday items. The rule is straightforward. Whenever you pick something up, try to put it in its final destination rather than setting it down temporarily somewhere else. When you bring in the mail, sort it immediately instead of putting it on the counter. When you finish reading a magazine, put it directly in the recycling bin or back on the shelf where it belongs. The one-touch rule is especially powerful in high-traffic areas like kitchen counters, coffee tables, and entryway surfaces where items tend to pile up throughout the day. Speaking of kitchen maintenance, let's explore the clean-as-you-go method that will transform your cooking experience. Instead of leaving all the cleaning until after the meal, incorporate small cleaning tasks into your cooking routine. While water is boiling, wipe down the counters. While something is baking in the oven, wash the mixing bowls. Load the dishwasher as you cook, rather than leaving everything for later. This approach is particularly beneficial for seniors because it distributes the physical effort throughout the cooking process rather than requiring a marathon cleaning session when you're already tired from preparing the meal. Plus, you'll enjoy your food more when you're not dreading the cleanup afterward. Let's address bathroom maintenance with a strategy I call the daily 5-minute reset. Each morning or evening, spend just 5 minutes doing a quick bathroom refresh. Wipe down the sink and faucet, give the toilet a quick clean with a disinfecting wipe, hang up towels properly, and put toiletries back in their designated spots. This prevents soap scum buildup and keeps your bathroom consistently fresh without requiring deep cleaning sessions that can be physically demanding. For the shower and bathtub, keep cleaning supplies right in the bathroom so you can quickly address any issues as they arise. A daily spray and wipe routine takes far less effort than scrubbing away weeks of buildup. Bedroom organization becomes much simpler when you implement the evening reset routine. Before you go to bed, spend 10 minutes putting your bedroom back in order. Make sure clothes go either in the hamper or back in the closet, clear the nightstand surfaces, and straighten up any books or personal items. Starting each day with an organized bedroom sets a positive tone and prevents the space from becoming overwhelming. Consider investing in storage solutions that work with your mobility level. Drawer organizers, bedside caddies, and easy-reach containers can make it much simpler to keep personal items organized without requiring you to bend, stretch, or strain. The living room presents unique challenges because it's often the most used space in the home. Implement the end-of-day pickup routine where you spend 15 minutes returning items to their proper homes. Remote controls go back in their designated spot, magazines get stacked neatly, throw pillows are fluffed and arranged, and any dishes or glasses return to the kitchen. This daily reset prevents the living room from accumulating the random items that tend to migrate there throughout the day. It's amazing how much more peaceful your evening relaxation feels when you're settling into an organized space. Let's talk about laundry management, which can be particularly challenging for seniors. Instead of waiting until you have massive loads, do smaller, more frequent loads that are easier to manage. Consider doing one load every few days rather than dedicating an entire day to multiple loads that leave you exhausted. Folding becomes less overwhelming when you do it immediately after the dryer cycle ends. Set a timer to remind yourself when clothes are ready, and fold them right away while they're still warm and less wrinkled. This prevents the dreaded pile of clean clothes that sit around getting more wrinkled and harder to manage. Paper management is crucial for maintaining an organized home. Create a simple system with 3 categories: action required, file for keeping, and recycle immediately. Deal with mail and paperwork as soon as it enters your home, rather than letting it accumulate into overwhelming piles. Consider switching to electronic statements and bills whenever possible to reduce the amount of paper entering your home. For important documents you need to keep, invest in a simple filing system that's easy to access and maintain. Safety should always be a priority in your cleaning routine. Use cleaning products that don't require excessive scrubbing or pose slip hazards. Microfiber cloths are excellent because they clean effectively with minimal chemicals and effort. Long-handled tools can help you clean areas that are difficult to reach without straining your back or risking falls. Never attempt to clean high areas or use step stools without proper support. Some cleaning tasks might be worth hiring help for rather than risking injury. Technology can be your friend in maintaining a clean home. Robot vacuums, while requiring an initial investment, can keep floors clean with minimal effort on your part. Lightweight cordless vacuums are much easier to maneuver with than heavy traditional models. Consider these tools as investments in your independence rather than unnecessary luxuries. The key to all these strategies is consistency rather than perfection. You don't need to implement every suggestion immediately. Choose one or two techniques that resonate with you and practice them until they become natural habits. Once those feel automatic, gradually add other strategies to your routine. Remember that maintaining your home isn't about achieving magazine-perfect cleanliness. It's about creating a space that supports your well-being, safety, and independence. A home that feels manageable and organized contributes significantly to your quality of life and confidence in living independently. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below about which challenge resonates with you the most and how you plan to incorporate one or more of these 10 tips into your daily routine. Your experiences can inspire others who may be facing similar challenges. If you find this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips on aging positively. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these discussions. Together, we can create a supportive community that empowers everyone to embrace the journey of aging with confidence and joy. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.